What is productivity? Productivity is about getting things done. It's about making the most of your time and energy. When you're productive, you achieve your goals and make progress in life. This leads to a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Being productive isn't about working all the time. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about finding the methods and strategies that work best for you. The power of smart goals. Setting clear goals is essential for productivity. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose focus and direction. Goals give us a roadmap to follow and help us measure our progress along the way. A popular method for setting effective goals is the SMART criteria. This method ensures that your goals are well-defined and attainable. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each component plays a crucial role in the goal-setting process. Specific, clearly define your goal. For example, instead of saying I want to exercise more, say I want to run a 5K in 3 months. This specificity helps you understand exactly what you need to do. Measurable. Make sure you can track your progress. For running a 5K, track your running time and distance. This allows you to see how far you've come and what still needs to be done. Achievable. Set realistic goals that you can achieve with effort. It's important to challenge yourself, but setting unattainable goals can lead to frustration and burnout. Relevant, choose goals that align with your values and priorities. This ensures that your efforts are directed towards something meaningful and worthwhile. Time-bound. Set a deadline for your goal to provide motivation. Having a clear time frame creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. By setting SMART goals, you give yourself a clear target and increase your chances of success. This method not only helps in personal achievements, but is also widely used in professional settings to drive team success and organizational growth. Whether you're aiming to improve your fitness, advance in your career, or achieve personal milestones, SMART goals provide a structured and effective approach to goal setting. So, take the time to define your goals using the SMART criteria and watch as you make steady progress towards your aspirations. Breaking down big goals. Large goals can feel overwhelming. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. For example, if your goal is to write a book, break it down into chapters. Then, break down each chapter into sections. Focus on completing one section at a time. This step-by-step approach will help you stay motivated and make steady progress. Prioritizing your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some tasks demand immediate attention, while others can wait. Understanding the difference is crucial for effective time management. Prioritize your tasks to focus on what's most important. This means identifying which tasks will have the most significant impact on your goals and objectives. Two helpful methods are the Eisenhower Matrix and the 80-20 rule. These tools can help you categorize and prioritize your tasks effectively. Eisenhower Matrix. This matrix categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent and not important. By sorting your tasks into these categories, you can clearly see which tasks need your immediate attention and which can be scheduled for later. Focus on the important and urgent quadrant first. These are the tasks that will have the most immediate impact on your work and goals. 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. This rule suggests that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. By identifying the tasks that fall into this 20%, you can maximize your productivity. Identify the 20% of your tasks that are most impactful and prioritize them. This means focusing on the tasks that will yield the highest results and contribute most to your success. By prioritizing your tasks, you ensure you're spending time on activities that matter most. This not only helps you achieve your goals more efficiently, but also reduces stress and increases your overall productivity. Remember, effective prioritization is a skill that takes practice, but with the right tools and mindset, you can master it and make the most of your time. Effective time management is crucial for productivity. It allows you to make the most out of your day, ensuring that you can accomplish your goals without feeling overwhelmed. By managing your time well, you can reduce stress and improve your overall quality of life. Techniques like time blocking, the Pomodoro Technique, and avoiding multitasking can help you stay organized and focused. These methods are designed to help you allocate your time wisely, ensuring that you can complete your tasks efficiently and effectively. Time blocking. Schedule specific blocks of time in your day for different tasks. This method involves dividing your day into distinct periods, each dedicated to a particular activity. By doing so, you can ensure that you have enough time to focus on each task without feeling rushed. For example, allocate an hour for emails, 2 hours for focused work, and 30 minutes for breaks. This structured approach helps you stay on track and prevents you from spending too much time on any one task. Pomodoro Technique. Work in focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This technique is based on the idea that frequent breaks can improve mental agility. By working in short bursts, you can maintain a high level of concentration and avoid burnout. This helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. After completing a few intervals, take a longer break to recharge. This method not only boosts productivity but also promotes a healthy work-life balance. Avoid multitasking. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking can decrease productivity. When you try to do multiple things at once, your brain has to constantly switch between tasks, which can lead to errors and decreased efficiency. Focus on one task at a time to improve quality and efficiency. By dedicating your full attention to a single task, you can complete it more quickly and to a higher standard. This approach also helps reduce stress and makes your work more enjoyable. Experiment with different time management techniques to find what suits you best. Everyone's work style is different, so it's important to find a method that works for you. Whether it's using a planner, setting a timer, or trying out different productivity apps, the key is to stay flexible and open to new strategies. By doing so, you can continually improve your time management skills and achieve your goals more effectively. Distractions are productivity killers. Create a distraction-free environment to improve your focus. Find a quiet workspace where you can concentrate, silence your phone, or use apps to block distracting websites and notifications. Let your family and colleagues know when you need uninterrupted time. By minimizing distractions, you create a space where you can fully engage with your work. Several productivity tools can help you stay organized and on track. These include to-do list apps, which allow you to create, organize, and prioritize your tasks. Many offer features like reminders, deadlines, and collaboration options. Calendar apps, which you can use to schedule appointments, set reminders for deadlines, and block time for specific activities. And of course, note-taking apps, which help you capture ideas, take notes, and organize information. Explore different productivity tools to find ones that fit your workflow and preferences. Productivity isn't sustainable without self-care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being to maintain high energy levels and focus. Get enough sleep, eat a healthy diet, and exercise regularly. Take breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge. Engage in activities you enjoy and that help you relax. Remember that self-care isn't selfish. It's essential for your overall well-being and productivity. Everyone's different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different productivity methods and strategies to find what suits you best. Pay attention to your energy levels throughout the day and schedule your most demanding tasks for when you're most alert. Don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. The key is to find a rhythm that allows you to be productive while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Productivity isn't a destination, it's a journey of continuous improvement. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Remember that small changes can lead to big results over time. Stay committed to your productivity goals and enjoy the benefits of a more fulfilling and productive life.